Do you often stay up at AM in the laboratory, waiting for the results of the equipment? Take a look at our home model of the moisture detector that automatically cuts off the power supply. When the test is completed, SKZ111B-1 PRO will automatically cut off the power. This not only avoids the risk of the equipment operating for a long time, but also saves 37% of electricity compared to traditional devices. Dual protection of safety and energy conservation. Every time you measure the moisture content of the grains, you have to switch between several moisture detectors. Their actions have stolen your time. With SKZ111B-1 PRO, you will have faster time than your competitors. It can measure 33 types of grains. Others can't measure coffee beans, but it can. The money saved by not having to buy other detectors can be used to treat the entire team to a year's supply of Starbucks coffee. It saves time, effort, and money. The first 20 people who place an order will receive a set of protective cases. Does your moisture detector require manual calculation of the average value after each grain moisture test? A slight mistake in the calculation could lead to having to start all over again, wasting time and causing stress? Now, with him, SKZ111B-1 PRO, the average value is automatically generated. From placing the sample to calculating the average value, it's all done in one go. It automatically completes the 4 steps of temperature control, detection, drying, and calculation. But are you still wasting time adjusting parameters on the paper calibration sheet? With it, you can calibrate with just one click. Take out the weights we sent you, press the calibration button for 3 seconds, and the device will automatically complete the reference calibration. No matter how many batches of continuous detection you perform, the moisture error will always remain within 0.2. Say goodbye to the cumbersome manual calibration. Do you always weigh the grains separately for each test? This method is inefficient and time-consuming. The intelligent weighing function of SKZ111B-1 PRO and automatically complete the feeding measurement. Just pour in the grains and the device will display the weight in real time. It eliminates the need for manual recording, allowing one person to test 300 batches per day. With the time saved, you can test more types of grains, and the efficiency doubles, allowing you to truly experience the humanized service. Precise measurement with hands-free operation. Click the product page to view the operation video.